Hi, my name is Julian, and I am on the art and school floor of the Duck Store. And I'm here with Hannah today. She's one of our team members, and she's going to help me put together a fun Valentine's Day gift.
Today we're just going to make a simple Valentine's Day card with some of the tools we have here. We have 2 pieces of paper. We're just going to glue the inside paper to the outside paper.
You got the cool colors glue.
You can use the bone folder to help you get it nice and smooth.
That's cool.
So once we're ready to fold, you can go take our bone folder to make a nice solid crease. And once we have our card, you can take a fun stamp, start making a nice little border. So we can take a nice green like this mild liner and just make some nice vines in between. The mild liners are really nice. They are really they're fun because they're, like they say, like mild and kind of like gentle and not like a super bright Sharpie. So they're really nice for also like calligraphy and letter writing as well. And you take a micron fine liner, and these don't have to be perfect, they just have to give the energy of glue for a vine.
This is a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
Oh, I like how that's looking.
Thank you. I'm pleasantly surprised with myself so far.
Then we can put some Happy Valentine's Day fonts on the inside. Me, personally, when I do that, I like to do a pencil in first. I'm going to do just some simple cursive. You can do whatever you're comfortable with.
Awesome.
And one nice thing is you can take a kneaded eraser, and these are really nice because they're like putty erasers, and you can just kind of lighten it for your practice.
That's cool.
Yeah, so that you can still see it while you do it, and then you can go in a little bit more rigorously once you have lined it. And I'm just gonna use the 01 micron again.
I never knew about putty erasers before.
And I'm just going to draw a fun little picture of 2 ducks on the inside. Going with my pencil. I'm doing a very cartoonish, silly looking duck. An inside circle, because they're cuddling, they're besties, they're buddies. Right, so I'll just take the kneaded eraser.
My ducks aren't really ducking here, but that's okay.
That's okay, that's okay, and it's just for fun, you know.
I thought I was getting it for a second.
I'll just go in with a thicker 05 micron in red. I think that's pretty Valentine-y, pretty cute. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, it's just for fun, you know.
Absolutely. It's super cute.
Oh yeah, super cute.
You need to show this one. This one's
cute little ducks on the inside.
That's awesome. Super cool. I think I like mine, but yours are cool.
And then you can maybe take like a little lei pen. These are nice. These are the lei pen flexes, so they have nice little like calligraphy type pens, and just do like little hearts, little extra hearts, just to tie it all together. And most brush pens are pretty like long, but this one's pretty unique because it's just a little itty bitty guy. We got some envelopes to put them in. Okay, and we can write a couple conversation hearts at the top, so just like heart, 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 heart.
Okay. What is your favorite item on the art floor, if you have one?
My favorite item on the art floor is probably Posca markers, because I'm an art and technology major.
Okay.
So I do a lot of digital art, but when I do like a personal physical piece, like in my sketchbook, I really like them for outlining and for white lines because they're really crisp and really nice looking. We can take the 05 red micron again and just write some simple conversation heart stuff on the inside. And then you can write Happy Valentine's Day one more time right here. Right.
Oh, that's cool. Your handwriting is so nice.
Thank you.
All right, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Hannah, for teaching me how to make a really simple and easy Valentine's Day gift. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So now we are here with Jude, and we're gonna get some help to finish up this card.
Okay, we've got wax seals. This one, because it's a fresh one, we need to take the lighter and kind of melt the wax a little bit close to the wick, but not setting the wick on fire yet. That kind of releases the wick from the wax so that it can carry a flame while we hold the wax over the envelope. That was decent. Okay, so we got our envelopes. We flip them over to the back. And then I'll do mine first, or start it.
Okay.
So I set the wick on fire. Sometimes it takes a while. This is a labor of love, for it is Valentine's Day. Also, when you're using lighters, be careful. It gets hot. Okay, mine's finally going.
Oh, I think I'm getting a little bit too.
Okay.
So we're making progress here.
So when we finally get the wick to light and the wax is melting, we want to kind of rotate it a little bit so it melts evenly. Yeah, and then you just kind of let it fall where you want the wax seal to be.
Oh, I see. Okay.
A good amount is maybe about ½ an inch across, or 12 to 15 drops if you would rather count them. Okay, we're really close with this one that I'm working on. And yours is also very close. So I'd say we're ready. So pull out the wick, take your wax seal and put it right in the middle of the wax. And all you have to do is leave it there, because the weight of the seal presses down on the wax. And it doesn't take too long for them to set. Yours looks a lot better than mine. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, that's awesome. That's
Yeah.
sweet. I
Super
love
easy.
that. Yeah, that is really cool. Thank you so much, Jude.
You're very
I think
welcome.
my card looks complete now.
Oh, I love these little, the little candy
Conversation
hearts. Those are
hearts,
cute.
yeah.